Mrityunjaya Mahamantra generally deals with the insecurities of life, which is working as Mrityu, the death in all of us. The fear is working as death in all of us. So, this mantra helps us to come out of insecurity and the fear. When one becomes fearless and one experiences a very secured space well within, inside his own personality, then that person is always a very happy person. And he is always a victorious human being. Is it not? Very successful human being. Don't think success means only achieving some targets and saying that, oh, I am a successful man. That is one kind of success. The real success in life is the joy, the fearlessness, and the freedom within. Please understand this. I may be a successful businessman, a successful professional being, but if I am gripped by fear, insecurity, then the very fear and insecurity, they become my death, and they snatch my life while I am alive. Death has two things. One is taking away the body, and another one is while I am alive, making me to die every minute. If there is fear in me, I die always. So death is continuously happening in all of us because there is fear. And this fear makes me nervous and also takes me to laziness, carelessness. Alasyahi dhruvo mrityuhu. When you become careless, the very carelessness takes you to the physical laziness. We become sluggish, we become lazy, we don't attend to things, and then that again is the death. So there are many deaths that are happening. We think death means only the finale, when I am pulled out of the body. That death is not scaring anybody. It has to happen. And there is no point in getting afraid of that, because whether you like it or not, whether you want it or not, it is an inevitable phenomena in the nature. But this mantra deals with the fear, the laziness, the inefficiency, the carelessness, and a whole host of negative things that are killing the human fabric systematically. We have to attend to this death, and we have to establish victory over this death. That's why this mantra is called Mrityunjaya Mahamantra. Mrityunjaya, victory over death.